again. How are you? Today we're going to make something light when I'm going to make a salad, because over Chinese New Year we tend to overeat, and now I'm using this leftover pomelo to make a salad. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And every day I will share a video of my food and things related to food. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So our dish is called prawn and pomelo salad. It's an Asian theme feel to it. Let's go and see what it takes to make this simple, healthy and low calorie salad, prawn and pomelo salad. For the prawn and pomelo salad, you will need 1 tablespoon of dried shrimp, which I've soaked and drained. We'll get 6 cooked prawns from this pack, 1/4 pomelo, maybe a cup or so of pomelo that has been prepared, cut, and then the sacks removed and split individually. If you're wondering how to cut a pomelo, I have a tutorial which I'll put in the link. We'll have 1/2 cup of mint leaf, salt to taste. You will need 1 tablespoon of dry roasted peanuts, crushed. Yeah. You need 1 tablespoon of grisette, which is coconut that is toasted. For the dressing, you would need 1 bird's eye chili, 1/2 clove of garlic, okay, and a tablespoon of palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, some cold water. So we're going to put it together. You slice the chili thinly. You also need 1 teaspoon of chopped fresh lemongrass. So we put everything together for the dressing, and then we shake it. And then we set it aside. We're going to pound the dried prawns. I'm going to pound it lightly, not too much, so that it doesn't become too mushy. So for the prawns, these are not very big, so I'm going to use 8 prawns, and we're going to slice it in half. Okay, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to chop the mint, roughly chop the mint. Pomelo, the dried prawns, the chopped mint. Okay, we'll have it ready, and before we serve, we will put in all the ingredients. So now we're going to serve. We will add about 3 tablespoons of the dressing, and then we mix it up. Okay, and let's taste it. I think it's just nice. We also add in the prawns, so it absorbs all the flavors. I'm going to serve it as a main for myself. Okay. We'll sprinkle with the toasted coconut, peanuts, crushed peanuts. Decorate it furthermore by having a few sprigs of the mint and a bit of the red pepper which I've cut. Ta-da! So here we are. This is the prawn and pomelo salad. Making use of it because I have a lot of pomelo because of the yisan. So let's try and see how it tastes like. Okay, let me try. This is so good and refreshing. The pomelo is cool because I left it in the fridge, and I've got the mint taste, which is very refreshing, and I've got a bit of lemongrass, and I've got these juicy prawns, And then there's this slight bite of chili. The bird's eye chili is not that hot, but it can be hot if you're not used to it. And I have the crunchy peanuts and the fishy dried prawns. I can taste the serai, which is the lemongrass. I use fresh lemongrass. Oh my god, it's so good. And it's got a fishy smell from the fish sauce as well. I can also taste the crisette, which is the coconut that is dry roasted. And I've just added some red pepper for decoration, but it's sweet. It's so nice. I'm glad I made this. This is my dinner. I should be on diet now. I hope you like it. It is so lovely. It's very easy to do. Okay, so until the next time, this is my prawn and pomelo salad. Loretta Lee here, saying bye-bye to you on your recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, so don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you enjoy my cooking. Bye then, see you, bye. Thank you.